We're going to do an experiment. This is my BelleVie carbon steel skillet. I have taken off all the seasoning. I'm going to try and use this skillet for a month without the seasoning. There's seasoning still on the bottom. Can I use this skillet for a month, a couple times a week, with no seasoning? So when I'm done cooking, I'm going to wash it and I'm going to coat it with oil. Good Sunday! One of the reasons I wanted to do this was I wanted to see if it might rust during the month of use. No, I didn't have any rust for the entire month of August. I did heat it up on the stove before I oiled it when I was done washing it. I didn't heat it to smoking, just hot enough for me to think maybe some of the moisture, if there was any, was gone. All the food was clean using oil and ghee. I used canola oil and homemade ghee. When I used butter, it reacted with the carbon steel and the bottom of my eggs were gray. There's water content in butter. Is it the boiling effect? Is there something else going on? I'm not sure. I used a Brillo pad most of the time to clean the pan. After cooking the hamburger, it stained a little bit. It stained the steel. The Brillo pad did not clean the stains. Barkeeper's Friend did. But when you use Barkeeper's Friend, it releases a real carbon steel smell. I believe it's the acid in Barkeeper's Friend. My biggest question, of course, was would it rust, and it didn't. I want to thank you for joining me this Sunday. That was a lot of fun. Yada yada. Thanks for watching.